Hello everyone. Today I'm presentation. It's scenario two. Network connection problem. Wi-Fi drops. Intermittent. Okay. The first slide is network connection of the problem. Yeah, specialty. When Wi-Fi drops. Intermittent on the on one computer. See, my object is doing the difficult possible cause explain how to diagnostic the usually and the proposed effective solution. I will also the prioritize and action and inclusion. Yes, inclusion long term the previous step. The previous step. See. The second slide is the problem overview. Yes, the overview. In this case, the Wi-Fi connection disconnect every day, few minutes, and recome automatic. Every time is reconnect the interrupter, reduce the probability, and after tasks like tasks automating of lines and online work. An important cause is that over the device on the same network were defined, so the user is like realize um, to this especially computer. Six. Uh, third slide is the signal in the possible cause signal and environment. On the possible cause is wireless signal instability. If the computer is far from the route of wall and metal objects, block the signal, drop become more frequency interference from nervous, network Bluetooth devices or microwaves can also affect the connection quality, especially in crowd to point for GAC channel. So a specific environment is the first thing to evaluate. The fourth slide is possible cause at the third road OS software. Yes. Another group of case is in the computer install. The Wi-Fi adapter drive may be out of date or covered. The power saving setting and disable the adapter and IP or DNS. The computer may be incorrect. Also, VPNs, firewall, antivirus software can create network conflict. In some case, a security setting or frequency of frank, frank, frequency environment or another foreign compatibility with the adapter. At the fifth slide is diagnostic tool commands. To design correctly, I will use command line and system tool field. I will run pim to the I will use a command line and system tool fields. I will run pim to the router and to 8.8.8.8 to compare local connection via internal pant. Then I will use our tracker to detect and routing the lining and IP configure I to verify IP DNS and the gateway setting. Finally, with the next one is no interface. I can check signal strength, band, and channel in real times. Real time, yes. Okay, the sixth slide, the check network adapter, the hardware and drive. To roll out the file root, I will update resystem the Wi-Fi drive from device manager. I will design two opponents. test I will window to turn off the adapter to power saving. I will also review even even view for recording adapter row as finally tests. I will connect a USB Wi-Fi adapter is if it's work without drops. The internet adapter is probably the problem. Okay, the seven slide router setting plus interface eliminator. Okay, next I will test around the relays factor. I will separating the 2.4 GF8X and 5 GHX. Yes, networking detects H band depending to compare stability. I will change the Wi-Fi channel to avoid hesium config and WPA2 or P3 or 3. Yes, compatibility and update router firmware. Also, I will test the laptop close to the router if stability improving, distance or interference is lacking in the road case. So yes. 8 slide software conflict, the priority plans, and conclusion. Yes. My property plan is the first config is called the room diagnostic, the fit adapter, at the system setting, and finally optimize route configuring. I will also check the software config by the by temporarily disable VPN, antivirus wait, or restrain firewalls role. In conclusion, internet Wi-Fi draws can be solved with a structured and evidence-based process by diagnostic, state, be state, and validate a changer. We can restore stable connection and prevent the future the future destroyed destroyed. Okay, this part is question and answer. Okay, the first question is what command will use the first and why? It start with a continue pin to return and to 8.8.8. This can separate local with field link use from internet like use the use nets one line shown interface to check a signal quality and channel. The second question is who do you test for hardware firmware in an adapter? Okay, the answer is I didn't expect the buy manager and advanced view viewer, restart drivers, design the power saving, and compare with a USB Wi-Fi adapter if the USB adapter is still in the internet adapter is like the filing. Okay. Third question is who do you store should a router setting? I didn't explain that. 2.4 and 5 GAC as ideas tests and band changer channel verification WPA2 and 3 compatibility reboot to the return and spare firewall. ID also tests from different physical location. The fourth question is clue software setting cause this. The answer is yes. VPN clicks firewall route, antivirus network scanning, DNS setting, and corrupt network profiling can cause draws. I didn't test it with cleaner but security. Disable conflict software safety. Okay. Thank you for listening and this.